All right, so now it's no time for highlights from the wedding spectacular. We spoke to the organizer, Kibwe Magan. Let's find out what's going on with this spectacular event. Pretty.
Tonight, let me take you on a love tour. Tonight, let us tear up the stair floor. Tonight, I wanna give it to you hardcore.
Well, the first thing that we introduced for this event was definitely a fashion show component. And we brought the seminars inside the room as well. Because what used to happen is when you have the seminars outside of them, you pull the crowd. So now everybody's inside. I think that was a valuable lesson learned. Another thing that we've introduced in here is food. So people are serving and sampling food. We also reintroduced consumerism. So a lot of booths actually have goods for sale. We've also brought in an international designer, Rebecca Sturm. So, we have our local designers and boutique holders, but we made it international, which is, I think, a direction that all of these shows need to go. We need to pull international people in because people are shopping online. People are smarter. The internet is there and they're still swiping their credit cards and getting stuff in. This is the first time Sean and myself got involved in a wedding show. The first one we put on was Wedding Spectacular. And after that, we said, we needed a little research and we started to travel. So this is the second staging, so it's definitely better. When people get married, if you're thinking ahead, the first thing you're thinking about is the family. So you have to think about the family car. So we also have Century 21 for housing because people need to know progress. Man and wife, children, the family stars. So you get the cars, so it's SUVs, and then of course Scotia. You have the banks on board to support the car purchase and support the housing purchase. So, that's an important element of any wedding. And the challenge for something like this is definitely the economy. I mean, last year it was a lot easier to talk to sponsors and exhibitors about, putting out, because even after they purchase a space like this, they have to consider build out. So when you consider even a booth like Thai Floor, which is 5 booths long, and you consider the investment into this, you understand the production. You have to consider, the economy, of course, and how hard it is. So I think that was the biggest challenge.
In our new single this week, we highlight Specialist and Aishana, the dancehall remix called Do It For Love, right? It's produced by Lenky, a one-bugger legend upon this. Sly, listen to me. Let's check it out. Tweet me. Let me know what you think about this one. Pre-DIS. Oh.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I.
Woman, me love you, but you nah get me heart to play with like Dolly. Can't say love, lad, me just can't carry. Wish me coulda do it like Marshall and Tommy, but me is a bachelor, we just afraid to get married. Live young and naive and get hurt by a woman, so me grow with a desire to hurt every woman. Wish me coulda make me hand soft like a cushion and come home every night and return to your bosom. But the streets keep calling, and every night I sit by the phone bawling. Me know you want me discipline like a monk from Charlene, but instead me just crawling. Every day she cuss me and give out the warning. Say she ain't gonna leave and witness me falling. Tell myself, say me slick and me charming. To sleep out then make it up a morning.
This is Jay sitting alongside here with the beautiful
The Angel, and I'm at my store, Angel's Boutique.
Yeah. And this is our video, I think called
Can't love you good like me.
I want it.
Can't love you good like me.
I want it. Right now, world premiere on Pre-Dis. Is it? Man.
And so.
Good production.
Good productions. Yeah, baby. Ow. Ooh, baby. I just want you home with me tonight. Baby, run with a boy there. You're so-called new man. Cause baby, that boy there can't jump in our plan. God, a boy, them can't love you good like me. A boy, them can't love you good like me. A boy, them can't love you good like me. A boy, them can't love you good like me.
Then forget the girl there. You calling your new girl. Cause me know the girl there can't step in our world. Cause baby, she can't love you good like me. 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 Baby, your love a mash up me meds. Captivate me with every word that you say. Why you lock me down and don't release me?
I thought me, I gotta believe me.
Cause there's no one why me nah love you, can't love you. Mystery, me nah love you, can't love you. Run with a boy there, you so-called new man. Run him way, cause baby that boy there can't jump in our plans. So run him way, cause that boy them can't love you good like me. I boy them can't love you good like me. I boy them can't love you good like me. I boy them can't love you good like me. Then forget that girl there, you calling your new girl. Run away, cause me know that girl there can't step in our world. Miss you anyway, cause baby she can't love you good like me. 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 Baby, me alone give you the loving where you can't forget. Enough man think you're easy, you're hard to get. Me woulda never hurt you that you not go get. No fret, you not have nothing to regret, girl. You love me, I love you. The media habit I spread them, I ask it for true. People speculate, that's all they do. And I know nothing new. Run with a boy there, you so-called new man. Cause baby that boy there can't jump in our plan. Cause that boy them can't love you good like me. I boy them can't love you good like me. I boy them can't love you good like me. I boy them can't love you good like me. Then forget that girl there, yeah. You calling your new girl. Run away, cause me know that girl there can't step in our world. Miss you anyway, cause baby she can't